This is one of the projects, the Alignerr project that I've been currently working on, and it is called the SRT. We are training models by just interacting with them and chatting with it. So this is how it is called. This is troubleshooting channel, and this is how it's called. Let me show you how it's called. You interact with it by just chatting with it, and it's taking like 1 hour to be able to complete this task. There is a timer here that must be always on. To a proxy, you must connect to a proxy to work on it. Then you have also hub staff that is able to help you connect, be able to record work. So this is the number of time that they are going to be used, or to determine whether they are going to be paid or not. So I'm going just to show you how it is called. Just want to show you how it is called, but it is still counting. I want to show you the name. It is called the SRT. Here is the production. The tasks are here. Here is where you see the tasks, the project, priority, tags, then jobs completed. So for now, only 80 jobs are done out of 80, and then out of 350. Then those are in progress, or what you refer those that people are working on currently. There are 42. So here, and this is where you upload the status. When you are working on a project, you will place in production mode. When you are in a break, you will place in a break, or when you are not available, you will choose the unavailable mark. So this is how it looks. Here is where you start working. Then view jobs, where you can see jobs that have been done by other people. That's where you're going to see the jobs. You see, here is it. This is where you're going to see the jobs. For example, I'm sure this is what I'm working on. Yeah, one annotation, this one 10. So here is where you are going to see the jobs that are there, right? You can see those in progress. You can see completed ones. So this way you see jobs. Then after that, this is now the type of job that you are doing, or the community that you are in. For this job we are in Gala, but you see they change depending on which community you have been placed, or which team you are in. So I'm going to go back. Yeah, then if you click on annotate, this way now it will direct you to start working on some of the projects that have been placed there. When you click on annotate. So here are the audits. If you're doing auditing task, here is for the practice tasks. Then this is now the production that you're working on. So you see this has higher priority, and here is it now I'm working on. I have to, you see I've completed it. This is how it is. I want to show you how it's working. For example, it's just to continue, like you continue chatting with the AI. So like you see this said, what makes life worth living? This was the prompt. Then here it gave the response. These are the responses that were given. These are the responses. So you will go through the responses from A, C to D. Then come here, start. This is the first turn up of conversation. It will ask you which response do you most prefer. You say if it is B, you select B. If it is A, you are going to select A. If you agree with it, you agree. Then here you have to give the feedback. So for you to do what you call quality work, kindly make sure your feedback is well explained. It is this very long and well explained for AI to be able to read, understand while learning. So after you have submitted, you will continue chatting with this prompt. For example, now here we are at turn 2, where you continue chatting with it, and again you have this for the second turn, where you are going to measure your responses again, choose which is the best, agree with it, then give the feedback. You do the same to third turn. So mine is ending at the third turn. After that, you will wait for some time for this time to come closer to 5, 10, 15, and then you're going to click on submit. So after submitting, it's automatically going to create for you a new job. So we're going step by step, where I'll be doing this live while you watch, as I'm going to take you through. So this is a new project. It's continuing submitting. Now it has submitted. Now it has submitted, and now this is how they turn. So this is like turn 1. Now what it means by the first turn or the mega turn. So in each mega turn we have sub turns or 3 sub turns. So this is the first prompt that we're going to do, or we're going to take. So most of the time this Hubstack always takes screenshots in intervals. So whatever you are doing, this takes it records the time, it records the clicks on how you're interacting with the app. It also takes some screenshots about on how you are doing. So you will see, as you're going to do it, you're going to see some of the time it's going to pop up and say, I have taken a screenshot, or it has took a screenshot. So this is the time that I've worked, and this project is paying $30 per hour. So we are going to start. I'm just staying with it, like giving some time so that it doesn't take screenshots. So okay, it's just simple. As you can see, it's not that easy to do this project. So we're going to analyze this prompt. You see, it took the screenshot here. It says screenshot taken. You see, this is how it works. So it says the screenshot taken like this. This is how it is doing. So every time you're working, it takes screenshot. Every time you're working, it's like after 5, 7, like the interval of 5 to 7 there. So we're going to work on this. And so this is the prompt, and we're going to analyze the responses to see which is the best. So you have to analyze each, starting from the first one to the end. So we're going to start. Make sure that you always make your proxy on while you're working on this. Anyway, mine is misbehaving because of the internet, because of the tool that I'm using to record this video. So here is it. You're going to analyze the response each by each, from response 1, response B, response C to response D. And now you're going to start choosing which one is the best one. For me, I'll go with the response A. Then let's go to response B. See what it's saying. If you're looking for luxury resort in the background of Kerala, I think it's essential to prioritize eco-friendly and sustainability. As someone who values cultural immersion of the beneath path experience, I recommend like the resource box like that. Here I'll choose B. Then your most preferred response was well written and current. Yes, I agree with this. Then feedback. So here on feedback, remember I have to ensure that your explanation is well written. Sure your explanation is written well. You can expound more by just adjusting what you had written like that. After that, now we are going to continue with our chat. For me, I will prefer to continue chatting with what we were provided with. So I'm going to continue here and I'm going to tell it the Kumakaron Lake Resort in Zuri. Kumakaron sound like serious and perfect for my backwater getaway. Can you compare the amenities, dining option and activity to help me decide which one suits me the best? So I'm going to send that. So when I've sent again, it's going to generate a response, and now that will be our second turn to work on. That will be turn 2. So this is turn 2 that we are going to analyze again. Turn 2. We are going to analyze turn 2 from the first response A, when it to response D, and get the best again. So we'll go through the response A, same as response B, response C, and finally response D, and check which one is the best. So for me, I think this is the one giving me the best response that I want. Let's check on C. And C. I'm going to choose C. Then I'm going to agree with this. And as I've said, the feedback should be in paragraph form. Your feedback, place it in paragraph form. Should be well articulated, should be well detailed for the prompt or AI to understand what you're talking about. After that, since it is the 3 turns, mega prompt or mega turn, it is a mega turn for the 3 turns. I'm going to go, you can find other works going up to 4 turns, right? So this is 3 turn, because you see this is the 3rd turn, meaning it's the last turn in this conversation. So this is the 3rd turn. So also you're going to paste your prompt like that, or generate yours if you want. And after that, it will respond again. And your work here is to analyze the response if it is what you expected. Analyze the response if it's what is you expected. Then after that, you come here now where you are going to give the feedback here about that response. So basically this is how it works, and you can agree with it that this is one of the simplest project. When you apply your reasoning well, this is one of the simplest project that you can work on, right? Yes, after that you give the feedback, and then you're going to click on submit. So that's all about this project. And you see, the screenshot is always taken, so you have to be careful on what you're doing. You don't have to display display anything here, because the screenshots are always taken. So after that you're going to submit that, and that's all about this. So here we'll show the number of completed annotations. Here the time is running. Yeah, this is how it works. And that's all about this project. Thank you for watching.